This is just a little reminder of what each of the algebra tiles are. You have a few different sizes. You have this little blue one, which I have on there twice actually, just so you can kind of get some comparison. This dark blue one has side lengths of 1, so 1 all the way around, which would give you an overall perimeter for that little tile of 4. To find the area of the tile, you just take one side right here and you multiply it times this side over here, and you get an area of 1. The process is similar for all of the other shapes. The side lengths just happen to be different. So this light blue tile that's a square has a side length of x and a side length of x. So if you multiply this side times this side, it gives you an area of x squared. And if you need the perimeter, then you just add up each one of the sides. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. So this little tile right here would have an x squared for area and 4x for perimeter. Okay, so the one that's the same color, it's like a light colored blue, has a side length of 1 and a side length of x. So it has an area of x times 1, which is just x. The green one over here has a side length of x and a side length of y. So this one has a side length of x times y, which is just written x, y. The big purple one has a side length of y and a side length of y. So y times y would give you y squared as your area. This little purple one has a side length of 1 and a side length of y. So the area is y times 1, which is just y. And then this last one is an area of 1. It's the same as the other blue tile that we did up here. So as you can see, the color coding kind of matches them up. So you have this purple one right here and this purple one right here. And both of these have a side length of y. Whereas both of these light blue ones here have a side length of x. The green one in the middle has a side length that one side that matches up with an x and one side that matches up with a y. You use these to put them together. It helps you get a visual for what your perimeter and your area would be for various algebraic expressions.